Find the work done by force. Find the work done by force by the force vector F bar along the lines 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, then 1, 1, 0, then 1, comma 1, comma 1. Its meaning is 0 to A, next to A to B, next B to C. So now what I'm doing is, listen, first, what is the F bar? F bar equal to 3x square 6y into I minus 14yz into j, next to 20xz square into k. So what is the F1 value? 3x square 6y. What is the F2 value? F2 value minus 14yz. What is the F3 value? F3 value 20xz square. Okay. Next, after this, what we'll do is, let you name these points O 0 comma 0 comma 0, A 1 comma 0 comma 0, next B 1 comma 1 comma 0, next C 1 comma 1 comma 1. So I'm naming O A B C. Next, what I'm doing is, what is formula? Integral C F bar dot dr. Just now I explained. So what is the integral C formula? Integral C F1 dx, F2 dy, F3 dz. Substitute that values. Integral C, what is F1? What is F1? 3x square plus 6y. 3x square plus 6y. 3x square plus 6y into dx. What is F2? Minus 14yz. So what is value? Minus 14yz. This is nothing but minus 14yz into dy. Next, F2 value minus 14yz dy. Next, what is F3? 20xz square. So 20xz square into dz. This you assume as a sum 1. It is, we will use this is for all three cases. This is a, okay. Next, now what you have to do is, first along the OA, along the line, if you want to write along the line OA, listen carefully. What is the O point? 0 comma 0 comma 0. What is the A point? What is the A point? 1 0 0. 1 0 0. So now, what is the x value here? What is the x value here? 0. What is the x value here? 1. So that means you have to write like this. X varies 0 to 1. Next, what is the y value here? Y value 0, y value 0. In both O and A point, y value 0. Therefore, y equal to 0. రెండిట్లో y 0 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ O లో కూడా 0 ఉంది, A లో కూడా 0. అంటే totally y is a 0. Y equal to 0 means what is that? dy equal to 0. Next, what is the x value here? 0. Sorry, what is the z value here? 0. What is the z value here? 0. Therefore, total x in the first point also z value 0, second is also 0. That means totally z is 0. Z is 0 means what is that? dz equal to 0. So only x value only changing 0 to 1. 1 implies, now substitute all this in the 1. What will get? Integral OA, C means here OA, integral C, what is value? 3 into x square. What is the y value? y value 0, 6 into 0 into dx. Next, dy 0. dy 0 means 0 into anything is 0. Next, dz is 0. dz is 0 means 0 into anything is 0. So remaining all value will be 0. So integral, what is a problem converted in 3x square dx? So problem converted in x. What is x limits? X varies from where to where? 0 to 1. X equal to 0 to 1. So now what is integration? 3 into x square integration x cube by 3. So what is the limits? X equal to 0 to 1. So what you got? 3 cancel. Substitute upper limit. 1 cube minus 0 cube. What is value? 1. So integral OA f bar dot dr. What is its value? 1. What is value along OA? Its value you got as a 1. Next, next what we'll do is uh, second what we completed here. O2A completed. O2A completed. Next you do A to B. Along along A along the line. You want along the line AB. So what is the A? What is the A point? What is the A? 100. B 110. A 100. The B 110. Next, what is x value here? 1. What is x value here? 1. Totally x equal to what is the value? 1. The A point also x value 1, B point also x value 1. This x is not changing, its value 1. Means what is value dx equal to 0. X equal to 1, differentiation of 1 is 0. Next, what is the y value here? 0. What is the y value here? 1. That means y varies. Y varies 0 to 1. Next, what is z value? 0. What is z value? 0. So z is not changing its value, z equal to 0, which implies dz is equal to 0. So now integral 1 implies, again you have to go for the 1. 1 implies, if you want I write that equation, integral what is sorry 3x square plus 6y dx. 3x square plus 6y dx minus 14yz minus 14yz dy minus 14yz dy plus what is the next value? 20xz square dz. 20xz square dz. So now along the which line? AB line. Okay. So now substitute its values. Integral AB 3 into what is the dx value? Dx is 0 means what is value? This total into 0. Next minus 14 into oh, 14 into what is the y? Y is a changing, so you write as it is. Y into what is the z value? 0. 0. Next dy. Next 20 into what is x value? 1. What is z value? 0. 0 square. Dz is also 0. So totally what is this value? Integral A. What is this value? Total value. Total this value is a 0. That means integral AB bar f bar dot dr value is a 0. Next, along the line BC. Okay. So now you have to check along the line BC. When you come, what is a B point? B point is 1 comma 1 comma 0. Next C point. What is C point? C point is 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So now, what is x value here? 1. What is x value here? 1. X equal to 1. So what is the y value here? 1. What is y value here? 1. So y is equal to 1. What is z value here? 0. What is z value here? 1. So z varies from 0 to 1. That means third part you have to do integration with respect to z and meaning x, x value 1, y value 1, z only changing, varies from 0 to 1. అంటే నువ్వు z తో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి. So what is x value 1? What is dx value? 0. Y value 1. What is dy value? 0. So now again we will go for the 1 implies. Here 1 implies substituting the 1 integral bc, see carefully, which them are 0, dx 0, dy 0. So the first one, see the 1, this is only in a 1 equation, 3x square plus 6y, 3x square plus 6y dx. What is dx value? 0. Next, minus 14yz into 14yz into what is dy value? Dy is also 0. Okay, if you want you can write like this. What is value? This into what is dy value? 0. Next, 20 into x value. What is x value? 1. Oh, what is z value? We have to do z varies from 0 to 1. Here listen one point carefully. Z varies 0 to 1 means you don't substitute z value. Z you have to write as it is. Z varies and z and substitute, so 0 na 1 na. That means you have to do with respect to z integration. So z write as it is, z square into dz. One more time I am saying, when you come to 20x z square dz, 20 into x value how much? 1. Z square. Z square means z varies given. Z value changing. Changing means you don't have the right to substitute. So z square dz, you have to do integration. Varies dento vary avutundi 0 to 1. Ekkada z lo avutundi. So z తో integration చేయాలి. So write this z as it is. X value. What is x value? Only one value. X equal to 1. So substitute that value here. So totally what you got? Integral BC, what is value? 20 z square dz. So what is value? What is z limits? Z limits is a 0 to 1. Z equal to 0 to 1. 20 z square dz. So take in the next page. 20 into integral z square dz, z equal to 0 to 1. 20 into what its value? Z cube by 3. So what its value? Z equal to 0 to 1. Upper limit 20 into 1 cube by 3, 0 cube by 3. So now what its value? 20 by 3. Which value got? Along BC, f bar dot dr is equal to how much? 20 by 3. So what is our line integral? Line integral is from what is said? O to A. And next what is that? A to B. And B to C. You have to find these three answers and have to add. That means C is nothing but, our C is nothing but OA, next AB, sorry, AB, next what is that? BC. Our C is nothing but what? OA, AB, BC. So now integral C f bar dot dr is equal to what is that? Integral OA plus integral AB plus integral BC is a required answer. Integral OA, what you got? Integral OA answer previously got what is value? 1. Okay, 1. Next plus what is the AB answer you got in the previous page? Integral AB value. Integral AB how much? 0. Okay, 0. Next integral BC. What is the BC value you got? Just now you got here, no? BC 20/3. 20/3. OA answer 1, AB answer 0, BC answer 20/3. So 1 plus 20/3. LCM 3. 3 plus 20. What is the answer? 20/3. This is the integral C f bar dot dr value 20/3.
సార్ 23 కదా సార్ అది
Sorry.
23 ఏమో.
Sorry. So what its value? What is its value? 3 plus 20, 23/3. That means integral C f bar dot dr is a 23/3. This is the answer. Wait a minute, I'll check the answer. Yes, answer is right. 23/3. Okay. So now this is a solution. I recall or revise once. Listen here. Find very simple question. Find work done by force. Length చూడొద్దు, చాలా సింపుల్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతుందని. zeros one. Integral f bar is given this one. Next f1, f2, f3 value. Given points you assume as a 0, a, b, c. So first you have to find o to a to b, b to c. So now integral C f bar dot dr. What is formula? F1 dx, F2 dy, F3 dz. So I substituted that values along OA, O point to A point. X only varies. What is that? X varies 0 to 1. Y value 0, dy 0. Z value 0, dz 0. X varies means you have to do integration with respect to x and meaning. Okay. So x varies got 3x square. What is this value? 6 into y value. What is the y value? Here is there now. What is the y value? 0. 6 into 0 into dx. Next dy. What is dy value? Dy value 0. 0 into anything is 0. That's the reason we are not written 0. Next dz value. What is dz value? 0. 0 into anything is 0. These two parts will be 0. Only what is there? 3x squared 6 into 0 into dx. ఈ రెండు 0 అవుతున్నాయి చూడండి. dz 0 కాబట్టి 0 into anything 0. dy 0. 0 into anything is 0. ఈ మొత్తం 0 అవుతుంది. ఏమి మిగులుతుంది? 3x squared 6 into y. y అంటే ఎంత మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ? y value 0. So 3x squared 6 into 0 into dx. So problem converted in x. So x limit 0 to 1. This is the integration. You got OA answer. In the same way, AB answer. Next, BC answer. After getting all these three answers, you have to add them. OA plus AB plus BC. That is the required answer. So now